good morning. Today is Tuesday, July 24, and if you see something at the back there, it's Black Educational Television. Just wanted to make a comment about students with learning disabilities. I was actually in a meeting, and I am just really appalled, really appalled to see how mainstream even acknowledges students that learn differently. Now, as a professor in training, I'm certainly not the type of individual to try and sort of standardize everyone learning the same, because we're all different. And I'm a professor with actually a different learning ability, I should say a professor in training. My background is that I came from an experience as a woman who has experienced domestic violence. And you know, I've taught economics and all these different, like in my teens, I taught some classes for 5 years and stuff. So I've done some things and I've learned some things over the years, but I am just really appalled. So I'm going to go into some things around how to deal with being rushed, especially when trying to communicate. For me, I use my hands. My hands is a type of sign language. And people connect sign language with being deaf. And I'm not hearing impaired. But, you know, it's just really sad to see how, if I'm going through an experience, what exactly are students such as myself going through. So I'd certainly like to hear some of your thoughts around, you know, your experience being rushed just to communicate. I learn in colors. I write in colors. And when I have lines on a piece of paper, it's a problem. And I also actually need like a studio that simulates sunlight, so that when I'm sitting at my study, I can actually be able to go through my stuff. So you know, there's a lot of, it's really interesting to see how these details play out. So I'd like to hear your thoughts on you know, students with disabilities. I should say different learning abilities.